My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, as you can see from that little mini intro, I am at the mall. I just left Foot Locker. There go House Hoops right there behind me. Bag is secure. I actually did something different. No Jordans, no LeBrons, not even Nike. So like I'm actually kind of like excited. I like doing new things. So got a nice little pickup. It dropped today. Y'all should already know what it is. But I'm gonna do the review once I get to the car though. So give me like 5 minutes and I'll be in the car and I do it. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Just got home. I was gonna do the video at the mall, but it was like music playing in the background, and I did not want to get copyrighted, get a copyright strike. But we're gonna walk over here because the light is so good outside. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it outside, whatever like that. So we can just walk right here, this little area right there. Set them up. Put this right there. All right. I do not know the exact name of these. You know how I usually give y'all information. Am I gonna give y'all some information? I'm trying to figure out, you know how I usually give y'all information like from a website or whatever like that. I think I am. I'm just gonna show y'all the shoe. Again, no Jordan, no LeBron. This is just not even Nike at all. So, got a Converse box. Let's see, size 9, men's, where the color at? Shai 001, North Pole. University red green, like that. My first time ever doing like a Converse review or whatever like that. See the box, the Shai box. This is my first pair of Shais also. Boom, boom. I don't think I'm gonna give you all no information. I just don't feel like doing all that. All right, open this up. It's one of those like little, like the LeBron boxes. Open that up. See that? Yeah. And these are the Shai ones. I don't know the name. Hold on, let me finish this up. I don't know the name of. Can I sit it right here? Can my phone sit right here? Hold on. See if I can set it up. See if I can set it up here. No. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Hold on. I forgot this new case that I have. There we go. I forgot that the case, the new case that I got for my phone, it has a stand on the back. I completely forgot about it. All right, so these are the Shai ones, like that. Hopefully, like, this looks okay. Let me try to put it right here. This might be a little bit better, maybe. Or right here. Yeah, right here. This is better. So, Shai ones. I hear a lot of people call them the Grinches because of, you know, the upper, the green right here. This is a little zipper right here. Again, this is my first ever Shai. Got the Air Zoom right there. Converse on the logo on the underfoot in green. Little air bubble unit right there. Shai, Converse logo on the back. I guess that's Shai's logo right there. Now, again, I'm not even gonna sit up here and act like I know anything about the Shais. I don't. I like this shoe. It remind me. It's kind of ashy. kind of ashy right there. It remind me of the old Gary Payton's, the glove. It remind me. It's giving those vibes. Yeah. What y'all think about this? I mean, it's a nice shoe. I like it. I actually like it for the holiday season. I know a lot of people that look. I feel like hold on. Let me put this right here. I feel like when it comes to shoes like this, it's only three reasons to buy this. One, you wanna hoop in them, and I think I might hoop in these. I don't know. I might ball it. I'm old. I haven't bought no basketball shoes in a long time. I might hoop in these. I don't know. One, you want to hoop in them. Two, you want to resell them. I don't know what the resell on these are. Don't really care. Not looking to resell. Or three, you want to try to casual wear them, but you know you have that giant community that hates people, like disdains people that wear basketball shoes as casual wear. Like they don't like you can't wear Kobe's. You can't wear Kobe's as casual. Well, listen, if I pay my money for, I can do whatever I want. I don't care. But yeah, these are the Shai ones. I don't know the name, but it's going to be in the description and it's going to be in the title. So yeah, we was call them the Grinches, like that. Not going to do the information like I always do. I'm actually hungry. I'm about to go eat right now. But I will do my little 30-second when I show the shoe. I'm going to do all that. So y'all know, let me know in the comments below if this was a copper drop for y'all. The Foot Locker I went to only had like 13 pair. They didn't have that much. So also, again, I don't know what the resale is going for these. I don't know if it is a resale for these, if it's a hype for these. I don't know. It was a good price too. It was like $130 or something like that. So I mean, you can't beat that. So it's a basketball shoe. So anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.